So today we're going to be talking about multi-sowing and how it can benefit your garden. So let's get started. So multi-sowing is basically just like the name implies, sowing multiple seeds in one area, and then those seeds, they grow together and as a clump of plants. It works especially for green onions and also beetroots. So here are some examples of multi-sowing. So instead of planting one green onion seedling, you can plant 5, 6, 7, or even 8 seedlings, and they will grow in that same amount of space, meaning that you can grow more than 5 times the amount of food in the same amount of space. This will also save you on a lot of seed raising mix and potting mix, so you won't have to buy it as much. It even works for containers, as you can see here. It also works for lettuce and chard. So with multi-sowing, basically the seeds grow together in a clump, and the great thing about it is that you can harvest from the clump, like the biggest one for example, and then you can let the other ones grow till they become the optimal size. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a like and to subscribe if you haven't already, and comment down below your thoughts and if you've tried multi-sowing before, and I'll see you in the next video.